Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection pages. So this video is specific for Atelier theme of the Shopify. If you have any other theme, I have already created a lot of videos with different themes. So you can follow the playlist of the videos. I have already given the link below in the description. And if you still don't find any relevant video according to the theme which you are using, you can message me. I will create a new video for you or maybe help you out in solving this issue for your store. If you have any other name of the variant, for say example fabric or maybe material, you can also separate them out on collection pages. So let me show you step by step that how you can do it yourself into your Shopify store. So let me see the preview of the store first. So I'm going to click on this preview button, and this is Atelier homepage. And if I'm going to the shop page, here you can see that we have multiple products displaying here with only single color. Each product has multiple variants, but only single color is appearing on collection pages. And we are interested to display all the colors on the collection pages. So how we can do that? Before proceeding further, let me adjust the alignment of this. So for example, I'm going to customize, and let me go to the shop page of this store. So I'm going here we have collection, we have groups, and actually this is showing horizontally. I am making it vertical, so this is looking more better than horizontal. So let me go back and let's see the preview now. And here you will see that we have everything aligned horizontally. So you should go to the dashboard of the store, and here you can see that we have installed Atelier theme. Firstly, you should click on these three dots and duplicate this theme, because later on if you want to roll it back to the original version, then you can go back to that one. So once you duplicate it, then after again you should click on these three dots and click on edit code. And inside of this you will see that we have multiple folders and files. So we are going to follow a documentation. I have already given the link below in the description. So you should click on that and you will be getting all these files. So firstly, you should open document.txt. So in this file, I have already given all the steps. Now the first step is that create a new snippet, color-card. So let me create a new snippet from here. You should click on snippets, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here, which is color-card, and then click on done. So we have created an empty snippet right here. So let me go back to the documentation. We have the second step, which is create another new snippet, color-gallery. So let me copy it, go back here, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here, and then click on done. Similarly, we have the third step, which is creating another new snippet, color-group. So let me copy this, go back here, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here, and then click on done. And again we will go back. We have the fourth step, which is create new snippet, color-swatches. So let me copy this name, go back here, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here, and then click on done. And again I am going to the fifth step, which is create another new snippet, color-variant. So let me copy it and then click on add a new snippet, paste that name, which is color-variant, and then click on done. And for now we have completed 5 steps. So we have to paste the code which we have already attached. So I am going back here. We have the first file, which is color-card.txt. So let me copy this code from here, go back, and we have the first file, which is color-card.liquid. So I'm going to paste that code here and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you can actually close this file and go back to the folder here. So we have another file, which is color-gallery.txt. Just open this and then copy the code and again go back, and here you should paste it and then save the changes. Once the changes are saved, then you can close this file and go back here. We have another file, color-group.txt. So let me copy this and then go back here. We have color-group.liquid, paste that code, click on save, and then close this file. Similarly, we have another file, color-swatches.txt. So we also going to copy this and then paste the code inside of color-swatches.liquid and then click on save. Now we are going to close this file also. Go back here. We have the final file, which is color-variant.txt. So let me copy this, go back here, paste that code, and then click on save. Once everything is done, then you can close this file and go back to the documentation. Now we have the sixth step, which is go to blocks, open _product-card.liquid. So let me copy this name of the file, go back here, we have blocks. So you should have to search here _product-card, and here you can see that we have _product-card.liquid inside of blocks folder. So what we have to do here is we have to replace this line of code with all these lines of code. So let me copy and then go back here. Firstly, you should remove this line and then replace it with these lines of code and then save the changes. Now you can close this file also, go back to the documentation. We have the last step, which is seventh step actually. So you should go to sections, open main-collection.liquid. So let me copy this file name. You should search it right here. We have main-collection.liquid under sections. So you just need to open this and go back here. We have to remove li tag inside this loop. So actually we have this loop. Let me show you where it is. You should scroll it down, and here around line number 75 you will see that we have li tag which is inside of this loop. So you should delete this li tag, and also this is the closing tag of li, so you should remove this one also. Once you are done, then you can actually save the changes and then close this file. We have followed everything. Now you can see that we have these products, and let me see the fresh preview of the changes. So I'm going back to the home page first. Let me click on shop, and here we go. Now you can see that we have, let me hide this bar. Now here you can see that we have all the colors displaying as a separate products on this collection page. So this is looking more beautiful than before, because earlier we only had single color displaying here, but now we can see that we have multiple colors displaying on this collection page. So you can also see here like the swatches are also working fine like they were before. So you can actually implement this feature into your store. If you are facing any issues or something, then you can definitely message me. I will help you out in that. If you have any new store to create, or maybe you have any customization into your store, you can definitely message me. I will help you out in that. I have already given the contact details below in the description, so you can directly contact me. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. So thank you once again. See you in the next video.